During the lesson, the interactive whiteboard is going to be used using the NGFL Cymru resources, and those resources then will aid me as a teacher to develop their singing, because I won't have to be right in the front of the classroom. I'll be available to work around the classroom, helping specific learners with keeping intonation when they're singing, and also to help them enjoy the singing, and I'm not just there sitting by the piano in the front playing. The learners really enjoy singing with the interactive whiteboard because they've got something visual to look at, and also the changing of the colours when they actually sing and it follows the lyrics with them is an aid to develop their literacy skills, and especially learners with any difficulties in their learning, they've also got that additional support to know where they are in the song. Also, having voices available on these tracks makes it easy for them to pitch correctly, understand the rhythmic patterns, and also how to voice correctly. And if we want to develop to singing in more parts, we've got all the parts available there so they can use those different parts, and therefore we can develop singing to a much higher standard by singing in more than one part during a lesson, which can, in a traditional way, be a challenging thing for the teacher to do.